So the download of the template is done, and in order to save the time, I have already extracted this template, and if we open this folder, there would be a folder by the name of Nova, and if I check this folder, this is the template in fact. If I click in any of the page, for example index.html, the web browser will open. So by checking the URL, we can easily identify that the index.html file from the template is getting executed and the website is up and running, and which is a wonderful thing. If I navigate to a different page, different HTML files are getting loaded and everything is looking perfect. Alright. Apart from this, I also need you to notice one thing, that the part where there is this navigation bar, the logo of Nova and all these links are constant whenever I click on any of the page. This section is known as a header section, whereas this section where it shows shape, bootstrap, all right reserved, and the links to many external social plugins, it is known as the footer section. Now if I click any of the page, the header and footer never changes. Alright, so this is the template. Now let's try to integrate the template to CodeIgniter framework. Now friends, we are executing these files which are getting executed on the web browser. In order to give this such a wonderful look and feel in this website, we require some additional files, and these files are inside these folder. The folders are CSS, font, images and JS. So these 4 folders are the supported folders for these files. And notice that all these files and folder are inside a single folder. But when we would integrate this with framework, things will change a bit. Let's integrate the template with our framework. So in order to integrate, I will navigate to XAMPP folder under htdocs. Here is the folder for CodeIgniter framework. Now here all these 4 folder needs to be copied where the index.php is placed. So I have copied all these folder where the index.php is placed. Perfect. And inside application, inside view, I will place the index.html page. Alright. As of now, I am not worrying about all these other pages, because ultimately we would require to remove them and place our own custom pages. So I will simply place index.html page. Alright, so everything looks perfect. In order to proceed further, we will make some small changes in our controller. So let's start NetBeans IDE in order to code furthermore. So this is our project. Under welcome.php, we will simply call the view. So in order to save our time, I have already loaded the view index.html, and do notice that index.html need to be written explicitly as the view file is in HTML format. By default, the view file's default extension is .php. Let's see whether we are able to load it properly or not. So this is localhost, and which is exactly loaded as the template is. So things are working properly. If I click on, for example, about us, the thing will definitely crash because there is no page by name of aboutus.html present. So this is how we integrate, but there are a couple of more things which we need to understand in order to get started with templates. I hope I have made myself clear. Thank you.